May 11, 2026, China's Tiangong space station, a cargo spacecraft has just docked Tianzhou 10, carrying special cargo from a startup company. Not food, not water, not experiment equipment. It's a batch of solar cell samples, Perovskite solar cells. They will be installed outside the station's module, facing the harshest space environment head-on. Temperature swings from 150 degrees to 150 degrees C, high-energy particle radiation, vacuum, and atomic oxygen erosion. But before this, the first batch of samples had already orbited Earth more than 3,000 times at 400-kilometer altitude, operating steadily for over 200 days. This is not science fiction. This is what a Chinese startup, Stellar Power, is doing. May 16, 2026, Beijing Changping Future Science City, Energy Valley Intelligent Manufacturing Park. The world's first Perovskite space photovoltaic pilot line officially breaks ground. Total investment, 150 million RMB. Expected to be completed and operational by August 2026. This is not just another production line, it is a revolution in space energy, from the lab to orbit, from dream to reality. To understand the significance of this pilot line, we first need to answer, what is perovskite? It's not a natural mineral, but a class of compounds with a special crystal structure. In simple terms, it's like an ultra-thin power-generating film. The light-absorbing layer can be as thin as 1/10,000th the thickness of a human hair in the lab. It weighs only 1/10 as much as traditional silicon photovoltaics. 1 kilogram of perovskite material can produce about 400 square meters of cells, with a power density of 22 GeV, dozens of times higher than conventional silicon. It's light, thin, flexible, and bendable. What does that mean? It means future satellite solar wings can be folded like scrolls for launch and deployed in orbit. It means launch weight drops dramatically. Using perovskite can reduce satellite mass by over 200 kilograms, cutting launch costs by millions of dollars per satellite. And more importantly, cost. Today's space PV standard is gallium arsenide. Excellent performance, but prohibitive pricing, up to 100,000, 300,000 RMB per square meter. Some estimates put GaAs cells at 1,000 RMB per watt. Perovskite costs less than 1/10 of that, currently in the range of 20-40 RMB per watt. Perovskite, combining GaAs level efficiency with silicon scale cost. It withstands extreme space temperature swings, 150 degrees C to 150 degrees C, and intense radiation generating power even in low light conditions. Its flexibility also suits satellite curved solar wings. Low cost, lightweight, high efficiency, strong durability, these four attributes perfectly match the core demands of the commercial space era. Stellar Power's story starts at Beijing Institute of Technology. Founded in December 2025 in Changping District, Beijing, the company carries the research DNA of a top-tier university. Spun out from Beiti's Aerospace Energy Materials Technology Incubator, Stellar Power from day one aimed at a highly specialized yet strategically vital niche, space energy. Co-founder and CEO Xu Ling was formerly a vice president at JD.com. From internet giant to aerospace startup, a bold crossover and a bet on the future. Xu Ling revealed that the company plans to invest 50 million RMB in R&D in 2026, with a focus on advancing the megawatt-class aerospace energy test project. May 11, 2026, Tianzhou 10 successfully launches and docks with Tiangong. On board, Stellar Power's second batch of space-grade perovskite solar cell samples. This is their second space trip. The first batch had already been operating on Tiangong's exposed experiment platform for over 200 days, circling Earth more than 3,000 times at 400 kilometers. Up there, they endured temperature swings from 170 degrees to 120 degrees, continuous bombardment by high-energy particles, atomic oxygen erosion, material outgassing in vacuum. Every one of these is the extreme test of material performance. And preliminary data shows that domestically produced aerospace perovskite materials have demonstrated reliable stability. Stellar Power adopts a dual-track strategy, on-orbit verification plus ground-based iteration. On one hand, samples are exposed to real space conditions. On the other, in-orbit data accelerates ground-based process improvements. More samples will be sent to Tiangong later this year. This fly and refine model is the hallmark of the commercial space age. May 16, 2026, Beijing Changping Future Science City, Energy Valley Intelligent Manufacturing Park. The world's first Perovskite space PV pilot line officially breaks ground. This is no ordinary factory. The future Xinqi Energy Valley Intelligent Manufacturing Park is the first standard factory complex in the Energy Valley, a future science city, with a total floor area of 100,000 square meters, integrating R&D piloting, technology transfer, and production. The tallest workshop has a 7.9-meter ceiling and a floor load capacity of 2 tons per square meter. The park has already attracted quality tenants, including Nio, Suqian Times, and Songyan Power. Stellar Power is the newest member. 150 million RMB investment, a 3-month construction timeline, from May groundbreaking to August production. This is a pilot line. What is a pilot line? Making a sample in the lab and mass-producing qualified products in a factory? There is a huge gap between the two. The pilot line is the bridge that crosses that gap. It shoulders the critical transition from the lab to space. One of Perovskite's major advantages is that it can be produced over large areas using solution-based processes, much like printing a newspaper. Unlike conventional semiconductor materials that require complex, expensive vacuum deposition equipment, Perovskite can be manufactured more simply, faster, and at lower cost. But simple doesn't mean easy. In space, even the tiniest defect can be catastrophic. How do you ensure the space-worthiness of every square centimeter of material while scaling up production? That's the core challenge this pilot line must solve. Stellar Power has built a full-chain IP moat covering materials, processes, and equipment, with technical indicators reaching world-leading levels. The completion of this pilot line will fill the gap in large-scale verification of perovskite space photovoltaics. Good projects never lack capital's attention. Soon after its founding, Stellar Power closed an oversubscribed angel round of over 100 million RMB. Lead investors included Haoxu Capital, Cathay Capital, and a leading institutional investor, with follow-on from Yingnuo Fund, Jingyuan Hongshan, Guotai Haitong, and Future Science City. Notably, Future Science City Group not only provides park space, but also made a strategic investment through its first direct investment fund, Xingchuang Venture Capital Fund. This industry plus capital plus ecosystem synergy is propelling a startup toward the stars. One pilot line, 150 million RMB. To many, this may not seem like a mega project, but its significance far exceeds the numbers. In 2026, Perovskite solar cells are conducting their first dynamic service experiments on China's space station. These experiments aim to break through the technology paths for high-efficiency, high-specific power, low-cost flexible space PV, providing critical technology reserves for future LEO satellites, deep space exploration, and lunar base power systems. Meanwhile, commercial space is expanding at an unprecedented pace. From constellations of thousands to hundreds of thousands of satellites, the cost structure of solar wings has fundamentally changed. Before, one satellite used one set, custom-made, handcrafted. Now, 100,000 satellites require 100,000 sets. Every dollar saved per unit translates into hundreds of millions in total savings. GAS's high cost cannot support the massive demand of mega constellations. Perovskite is seen as the ultimate solution. Some institutions forecast that the space PV market could exceed 1 trillion RMB in the long term. And in this trillion yuan race, China is seizing the lead. As the Beijing Municipal Science and Technology Commission noted, the launch of this pilot line marks a significant step forward in the industrialization of critical innovative technologies in China's aerospace energy sector. Future Science City Energy Valley is building an energy plus smart manufacturing industrial ecosystem. Stellar Power's pilot line is the newest and most visionary piece of that puzzle. In August 2026, this world-first Perovskite space PV pilot line will go into operation. From then on, Perovskite space photovoltaics will officially move from lab to large-scale validation. Ling expects mass production to begin in 2027, with commercial sales starting in 2028. Right now, 400 km above Earth, Stellar Power's samples are circling the planet. They endure extreme temperature swings, cosmic rays, and silently collect data. That data will feed into the pilot line's process optimization, and the products from that pilot line will fly to deeper space, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. From an industrial park in Beijing, Changping, to a space station 400 km up to the farther reaches of the cosmos, this is not just the story of a pilot line. It's a story about how to bring sunlight to space. It's a story about a group of Chinese entrepreneurs redefining space energy with a new material technology. And the story has only just begun.